going to be a what's in my travel makeup bag video. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please subscribe down below and check out my other videos that I recently posted, and let's get started. Alright, so this is the bag I'm bringing. It's from Sonia Kashuk, and you can get this brand at Target. They don't have this exact pattern anymore, but I looked on their website and they have similar styles, just not the same pattern. So I'm going to go through the first zipper side first, which is where I keep my brushes, and then miscellaneous products that don't have like a specific pouch where they fit into. So the brushes I am bringing are the e.l.f. Total Face Brush. This is so good for putting on powder all over your face. I'm bringing the M442 stippling brush from Morphe. Such a good brush for blending out your blush and bronzer. Love that brush. I'm bringing the Wet n Wild. This one doesn't have a name, but it's just this like small angled brush, and I use this for my blush. So I just like the shape of it. It makes putting on blush really easy. So I thought I would pack that one. I am bringing the Real Techniques contour brush. This is my favorite brush for bronzer and contour. It's just a small little brush like this. I'm bringing the Real Techniques setting brush. I like this brush actually for my highlight. I think it's small enough but not too small for a face highlight, so bringing that one. And then I just threw this in here. I don't necessarily need it. This is the EcoTools fan brush. I also like this for my highlight, and I also have used this for bronzer before, and it looks really pretty too if you want more of like a natural diffused bronzer look. The eye brushes I'm bringing quite a bit. So I'll go through the blending brushes first. So I'm bringing 3 blending brushes, and that might seem excessive, but I just like to have a different brush for each shade. So I'm very particular. So the first one I'm bringing is the Morphe M576. It is their dome blending brush. Love that brush. I'm also bringing the Kylie Peach Palette, just the brush it came with. It is one of my favorite small, fuzzy, blending brushes, so I always bring it with. And then this one has no name. I got this on Amazon when I first started getting into makeup. It's just this white little brush. It's just a nice extra blending brush to have. And then I have some small like detailer brushes here. This is the Morphe M321, just the smudger brush. I have this e.l.f. eyeshadow brush. This is great for packing on like a shimmer all over the lid. This is the e.l.f. eyeliner brush, which is perfect for under the eyes, getting that deep dark color really close to your waterline. And then I have another small detailer brush. This one's from Amazon. It's perfect for smudging things out and also for highlighting your brow bone, inner corner, stuff like that. So those are the brushes. Alright, in this pocket right here, I pack my whatever eyeshadow palette or palettes I'm bringing, and I try to be good, so I'm only bringing one palette, and this is so fun. It is the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. I feel so like themed when I pack it because it's a travel palette, and it was meant to travel with because it has so many colors in it and can be used for neutrals. There's a couple pops of colors, and it has this, I'm gonna blind you for a sec, amazing mirror. So yeah, it's a good palette. That's what I'm packing. In this big pouch right here, I'll go through everything that's in there. I am bringing some of these Precision Beauty Wipeout Brush Cleansing Wipes, and they're just individually wrapped. Perfect for just like after, because I'm only traveling for a couple days, and I want to reuse my brushes, and if I use crazy colors, I'll need to wipe them off. So these are perfect for just like a quick clean, and I picked these up at Marshall's. They're super inexpensive. I think they came in a pack of like 30 for like $3, so very affordable. I am bringing 2 setting sprays One is a setting spray and one is more of like an illuminating glowy spray. So the first one is the Milani Make It Last. It's the 16-hour wear one. I just know I can count on this one, so I'm bringing this to set everything. But I've been testing this one out. This is the L'Oreal Lumi Shake and Glow Dew Mist. Still testing it out. I don't quite know if I love it, if I like it. Still testing it out. So I wanted to pack it just to see. I have an additional blush. I have more blush in another pouch, but this is just one of my favorite go-tos. It is the Dolce Pink from Milani. A gorgeous pinky blush. And then I have my go-to mascara, the L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black. Gotta pack that one. I know I can count on that. And then for the eyebrow product I'm bringing is the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer. I love this eyebrow pencil. It's just a very small tip and it has a nice, sturdy, perfect size spoolie, so perfect for travel. And then I'm bringing my favorite eyeliner for the waterline or the tight line, and that is the Essence Extreme Lasting Waterproof Eyeliner, 16-hour wear. And I just have mine in Black Love. So next we will go through lip products. I bring quite a bit because I like to mix lipsticks and a bunch of stuff, so I just bring quite a bit. The two lip liners I'm bringing are the Flower Beauty Petal Pout Lip Liner in Toffee, and then the Wet n Wild Gel Lip Liner in Bear to Comet. So this one's just a little more orangey brown and this one's a little more pink, so wanted to have those two. All right. Just have a couple lip products. So first I'm bringing the Healthy Lip from Physicians Formula, and this is in Crud. I think I'll have to look up and link it down below what this one's called because the packaging is ripped up on here, but it's just this gorgeous like nude berry shade. And I love this lipstick formula. The next, let's get you organized there. All right. The next one I have is the ColourPop Matte Lipstick in Beeper, and this is what I have on my lips today. It's just this really pretty cool tone nude. And then, I do not need all these. I'm bringing the Tarteist Lip Paint in Birthday Suit. It is a very nude baby pink. Let's see, it's this color perfectly. So, like that one. And I love this formula. It tastes minty. I'm bringing the MAC lipstick in Really Me. Another cool tone nude. Oops. I'm bringing, last lipstick, the Milani lipstick in I Am Happy. I didn't even look at what this color was, and then I saw it was like this really pretty berry red, and I was like, ooh, I want that, but I just liked the name, and I was like, I'm gonna grab it. But look how pretty this berry is. It's so cute. And I also really like Milani's lipstick packaging. Side note there. Okay, two glosses I'm bringing are my two favorites. The NYX Butter Gloss in Eclair. It's just a perfect pinky glossy shade. And then the final lip product I have is the Buxom lip gloss. This is just the mini in White Russian, probably my favorite lip gloss. I will eventually probably soon have to buy the full size because I got this as a sample. It's also a pinky nude. It's a little lighter than the NYX one I'm bringing also. All right, let me put everything back and then we'll move on to the next zipper pouch. Alrighty. Okay, let me try and show it. So basically this section of the makeup bag has just two of these clear pouches, which I love. I love that I can see everything, and I just like how they're separated. So in one of them I put my foundation, concealer, and a sponge. And then the other one I'll put my bronzer, my blush, and my highlight. So that's how I typically will do it. And then it has a big open pouch on the back of it. That's where I'll put like setting powders, primers, any like miscellaneous items that I want to bring. So I will first go over what I'm bringing in my clear pouch here. And I am bringing 2 foundations. I couldn't decide which one I wanted to bring. So I'm like, whatever, it's not gonna weigh that much more. So this is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define foundation. I love this foundation. It is such a good matte, flawless foundation, and that's why I wanted to bring this along with this one, because this one's a little more dewy and a satin finish, and if I couldn't decide on a day, I wanted to have an option. And this is the Hourglass the Hourglass Vanish Stick foundation, and it is super nice to travel with because it comes in a stick form, and it's just beautiful. So I had to bring that one. And also I wanted to bring both of these look gorgeous in pictures, and when you travel you take more pictures, so wanted that. And my favorite concealer is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer with a huge doe-foot, so I wanted to pack that. I knew I can count on that one. And then the sponge I'm bringing is also by Sonia Kashuk. It's just this marbly black one, but it's also my favorite makeup blending sponge. It is so soft, but it blends products out so seamlessly. I also like just the shape of it. It has a perfect point to get really close underneath your eyes. So love that one. In this pouch, I am bringing, first I'll go my bronzer, my butter bronzer, my favorite bronzer. Always can count on this one. For blush, I decided to go with a palette, Be Smart. This has a pinky peach shade, a more mauve-y shade, and then like a purpley lavender shade. So I just thought it would be good to have options for blush, but not bring multiple blushes, even though I brought two technically. For highlighters, I'm bringing 2, and this is the Physicians Formula Nude Shimmer Strip thing. I love this highlight. And then I can't find this highlight anywhere anymore. It's the L'Oreal True Match Lumi, and it's the one in ice. This is one of my favorite highlights. It has, I'm sorry, I'm trying to show you. Let me adjust this lighting here. It just has like the prettiest, there's like a champagne, a white, a purple, and then a light icy blue. Is the setting powders and stuff like that. So I have 2 primers I'm bringing. We have the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Face Primer, the dewy one of my favorites. I've talked about this before. I brought this product from L'Oreal because I wanted to try it out. It is their Magic Skin Beautifier BB Cream, and mine's in light, and it's supposed to prime, correct, hydrate, and perfect. So I wanted to try this out as a primer and see how it did, and you know, if it doesn't work out, I'll just take off my makeup. So then I also packed my favorite powder right now. It is the Lancome Longtime No Shine powder. So I went into Ulta maybe a couple weeks ago. It was right around my birthday because I knew I had like points or something. And I was looking, I didn't know they didn't carry Kat Von D, and I've been loving that Lock-It powder, that sample I have. So I asked them, do you have Kat Von D? And they said no, but we have this other loose powder that I'm sure you would love. And then they recommended this Lancome one to me, and I am obsessed. More obsessed than with the Kat Von D one. So that was a good recommendation by them because I am loving it. So I think that's it for what I am bringing. Just a little bit excessive, but this is just perfect if you are a makeup lover, want to bring a bunch of options, and want it to stay organized. And it's just so easy to fit into a suitcase as well because it's like a flat book style instead of like one of those, you know, more rounded makeup bags. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Sorry I was a little all over the place, but you know, that's just me. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.